The strong whirlpools created by the stream of falling water may harm the rock that supports the plunge pool. Severe erosion at a waterfall's base might cause the cascade to recede. The area behind the waterfall has deteriorated, creating a hollow, cavernous structure called a rock shelter. The outcropping's rocky ledge could ultimately crumble and send rocks into the stream bed and plunge pool below. The waterfall recesses numerous meters upstream as a result. The preceding protrusions stones are eroded once more by the waterfall erosion process. Waterfalls can originate from a variety of mechanisms, including erosion. Along a crack or in the Earth's crust, a waterfall may form. Additionally,